Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MuscleBlaze BCAAA Pro. This powerful supplement is designed to support your fitness journey by aiding muscle recovery and growth. It features a precise 2:1:1 ratio of essential branch-chain amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Understanding its proper use can significantly enhance your workout results and help you achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Let's dive into the details. For optimal results, mix 1 scoop, which is approximately 15 grams, of MuscleBlaze BCAAA Pro with 250 to 300 milliliters of cold water. You can consume this refreshing drink before, during, or immediately after your workout session to maximize its benefits. Many users also find it helpful to take it on non-training days to support continuous muscle recovery and reduce soreness. Consistency is key for noticeable improvements. MuscleBlaze BCAAA Pro offers several key benefits, including enhanced endurance and reduced fatigue during intense workouts. It also plays a crucial role in promoting faster muscle protein synthesis, which is essential for repairing and building new muscle tissue. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable drink, always mix it thoroughly with water using a shaker bottle. This prevents clumps and ensures you get the full benefit of every serving. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified nutritionist before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions. Store your MuscleBlaze BCAAA Pro in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency and freshness. Also, for those looking to streamline their healthy eating, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.